Hi, so glad you're in the kitchen with Mom. Let's bake up some love today. Let's make the original Quaker Oats Vanishing Oatmeal Raisin Cookie. Years ago, I clipped out the recipe that was on the lid on the Quaker Oats container. Not so long ago, I thought, oh, I'll make those cookies. So I went to the lid where there is a recipe and I made it. And I thought, that is not the same. Sure enough, I went back through my recipe cards and I found the original one that I had cut out a long time ago, and the recipe was different. So let's make the original. I like to have all my ingredients ready to go. I think it just makes baking so much easier. The French call it mise en place. I call it having everything ready to go. I've already put 2 sticks of butter in my mixing bowl. Now, if you don't have a stand mixer and you just have a hand mixer, that is fine. It will be just fine. Might be a little bit more work, but it'll still yield the same results. So in my bowl, I've already got 2 sticks of butter, which is what the original recipe calls for. And I'm going to add in half a cup of sugar and a cup of packed brown sugar. We will blend this until it's nice and creamy. My butter and my sugars are all blended together, nice and fluffy. Now I'll add in 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and we'll mix this up. I'll show you what the batter looks like right now. Next, we'll add in our flour, my 1.5 cups of flour, baking soda and cinnamon, and a little bit of salt that I whisked together. I'll start this off slow so it doesn't go everywhere. My dough came together pretty quick. Now we'll mix in 3 cups of oats. Once again, we'll start this off slow. I can't lock my KitchenAid mixer down because years ago my son stuck a penny in the little slot where you lock it. So to this day, I am not able to lock my mixer. Makes me laugh every time I use it. See how it bumps up? Thank you, child. All right. Last, we'll add our 1 cup of raisins. Mix this in. All right, we've made our dough. All right, we've got our dough all made. Now let's put them on the baking sheet. Cookie scoop. If you don't have a cookie scoop, a couple of spoons will work just fine. I'll show you. Get a spoon, scoop some out. There you go. Use the other spoon to scoop it down. See, that works too. If you really wanted to, you could scoop some out, shape it into a little ball. That works. We'll put this in the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. We'll check on them. Should be nice and golden brown. We'll let these cool on the pan for a minute or 2. Then I'll take them off and put them on the cooling rack, and we'll let them finish cooling there. Scoop up more dough. We'll do it again. There we go. Vanishing oatmeal raisin cookies. The original one. Delicious. Enjoy.